Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 36 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem is asking us to synthesize 2-butanone any way that we want, really, provided that we do it from a nitrile and a Grignard reagent. And so remember, adding a Grignard reagent to a nitrile is going to result in a ketone, and the addition of the carbon portion of the Grignard to the other side of the ketone. And so this is good because the molecule that we want has a ketone in it. And so basically, what we do is we look at 2-butanone, which I've drawn at the top. I'm going to draw it again briefly here. So here is 2-butanone. And so we look at this. We say the nitrile must become this ketone. So we can kind of draw a line through it right there like that. And we can either start with this portion and add these carbons, or we can start with this portion and add this carbon. And so that's exactly what we do. So for this first method, we start with a 3-carbon chain terminating in a nitrile. We use methyl magnesium bromide. And as you can see, the nitrile carbon becomes this ketone carbon, and our methyl group has added here. And so that's 2-butanone. And then, as I said, we can do it the other way. So we can start with this 2-carbon chain and then add 2 carbons to it by using ethyl magnesium bromide. And again, we make 2-butanone there. And so that's the way to approach this problem, or I suppose similar problems. If you know that you have to make a ketone from a nitrile, you can just draw a line vertically through the ketone and think about, you can take everything to the left of the ketone and start with that and just make the ketone carbon into a nitrile, and then use a Grignard comprised of however many carbons you need to the right. Or you could do it the other way. Draw a line through the ketone, start with what you have on the right, and then use however many carbons you need in a Grignard to make the left portion of the molecule. And so that is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 36.